and welcome to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm showing you how to delete YouTube account. Before that, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. To delete your YouTube account, start by opening your web browser and search for youtube.com and enter. Now sign into your YouTube account if you are signed out by tapping on the sign in button, entering your email and password. On the home page, go to your profile on the top right corner and click on it. Click on Settings and after that, click on Advanced Settings on your left hand side, right at the bottom. This will open the Advanced Setting page. You'll see Delete Channel option. Just click on it. Now you'll need to re-enter your password to verify yourself. Enter your password and click Next. After that, you'll see two options where you can hide your channel or permanently delete your content. To hide your channel, click on Hide Your Channel. To delete it permanently, click on the second option. Now, the list of content that will be deleted along with your account will appear. Click on the little box and click on Delete My Content. Confirm that you want to delete all your YouTube content by typing your email address again. Remember that doing this will delete all your videos, playlists, subscriptions, comments, messages, search history and watch history as well. Once deleted, it can't be restored. After entering the email address, click on Delete My Content. After that, your content will be deleted permanently. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you think it was, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or feedbacks, comment down below. I'll be back again. See you next time.